Hello, fellow hair loss people. So today is my day 148, 21-week post-op hair transplant check-in. So, looking out at the foot out, you can see it looks pretty good on both sides. One thing I do want to talk about is it is probably time for me to get another haircut. Right before doing my 4-month check-in post, I got a haircut. I'm gonna do one again either today or tomorrow, just because this length is a little bit longer than I'm typically comfortable with, or that I would typically like to have. I usually do like a number 2 on the sides, and then I just kind of thin out the top. I get a lot of questions about after a haircut if you can see the where they extracted the actual hair follicles. To my knowledge, no. I haven't been able to see it. My fiance looks, she can't really tell. So overall, I would say the donor area healed up very, very well. So looking in, again, foot out, you can see looks pretty good, especially considering that I have not even hit the 5-month mark yet. I'm extremely happy knowing that it's only going to keep getting denser and denser. Looking in closer at my right area, you can see that the density is pretty close. This is the density of my native hair. You can see the density on my transplanted area. Obviously has a little bit more gap than my native hair, but you really can't tell unless you're really, really close and looking up at it. One thing that I did mention before is you are able to see kind of a little bit of a thinness between the native and the transplanted hairs. I do hope that that continues to fill in, and I'm sure it will because I'm only 5 months post-op in kind of the coming weeks, so be on the lookout for that. Looking at my left side, my weaker side, as you guys know, this is the area has still been kind of struggling. You can see right here, it is still struggling. I luckily part my hair this way, so it covers it up pretty well. If I didn't, and if I were to part my hair the other way, I've never actually really tried, but if I were to part it the other way, you can kind of tell that there's a pretty big gap in my transplanted area. It wouldn't really look right, and it truly still does look like transplanted hairs. But again, I'm only 5 months post-op, so I do know that it's going to continue to get better. I do know that these voids are going to start to fill in, and honestly, for 5 months, my weak areas where I see a lot of guys at their 5 to 6 month mark. So to have one side that's super strong, I'm very, very grateful and happy for. I'm lucky that I've healed up at the rate that I've healed, and I'm going to continue healing. I'm going to be doing a longer 5-month check-in video for you guys, just kind of doing a quick reflection on the past 5 months. But real quick, I'll show you the back of my head. This is my back crown area, and again, my donor area definitely needs to be cut down. So if you guys have any questions, make sure to comment down below. Make sure to like and subscribe for all my future videos. Thanks, guys.